Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Golden Belt Kingshot. If you've heard players talking about the Golden Belt and Kingshot, here's the truth. There's actually no official item by that name. However, this term is often mistaken for higher tier Governor gear, especially the mythic or red variants that feature a distinct golden shine as they're upgraded. These gears are symbols of strength and progression. To craft this golden style governor gears, you'll first need to upgrade your town center to level 15 or higher, unlocking the gear crafting feature. From there, collect materials like satin and true gold. Satin can be obtained from the beast hunts, events, and shops such as Swordland or the Alliance Championship shop. Meanwhile, true gold is usually earned through daily missions, special events like the Golden Glaze or merchant offers. Once you have enough materials, enhance your gear to transform it from basic to mythic, giving it that golden look, and even to red, the highest tier available. So while there's no literal gold belt, the dazzling governor gear you've seen is likely what players mean. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.